Hi, I am Arham Ejaz, and today I'm going to show you how to square decimal numbers up to 9.9 squared. The first example is 7.3 squared. 7.3 squared, okay? There are 3 steps to do this. First, we do 3 lines, and then we also do another line below it. The first step is square the end digit, so 3 squared, that's 9. And then you multiply all digits. 7 times 3 times 2, that's 42. So we write 42 in the middle space. And then 7 squared, we do 7 times 7, that's 49. We can't place 2 digits in one section. So this is what we will do. We keep the 9, and we also keep the 2, because we don't have any carrying to do with those. But the 4, we're going to add the 4 to this to make 53. And then we need to add 4 to 49 to make 53, and we'll get the answer. And we need to put the point before the last 2 digits. So the answer is 53.29. The second example is 2.6 squared. So we're going to do our 3 lines and 1 big line at the bottom. So 6 squared plus 6 by 6 is 36. And then 2 times 6, 12. And 12 times 2, which is 24, we have to write 24. And then 2 times 2, that's 2 squared, is 4. So this is 4, 24, and 36. Let me show you in steps. These are the digits, and this is the exponent. The exponent is the number at the top, the smaller one. So the first step is to multiply the last digit of the decimal by the exponent, like that. And for the second step, we have to multiply this by this. So for this one, we have to multiply 2 times 6 times 2, and that will give us 24, like that. And the third step, we are going to take the first digit of the decimal and multiply it by the exponent, like that. And those are all 3 steps. So now, to continue with this example, as I said earlier, you cannot have 2 digits in one section. So we're going to do some carrying. So we're going to keep the 6, put 3 and 24, that's 27, keep the 7, put the 2 and 4, and we've got 6. And we also need to put the decimal point. So the answer is 6.76. And the last example, first we need to put a box around this one. Last example is 9.7 squared. So we're going to do our 3 sections and a big line below. 7 squared, that's 49, like this. 49. So we're going to put 49. And now 9 times 7 times 2. So 9 times 7 is 63. Times 2 is 126. So we put 126 in this section. And 9 squared, that is 81. And now we're going to do the carrying. Now they're big numbers to carry because we have to carry 81 to 12 and 6 to this number and the 12, which will become 18, like that. So keep the 9, carry the 4 to 126. That's 130. Get the 0, carry the 13 to 81. You'll get 94. So we're at 94. And the decimal point will go right before the last 2 digits. The answer is 94.09 because we have carried 4 to 126 and we've got 130. Keep the 0, carry 13 to 81. You've got 94, and this is 94. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. In the next video, I will teach you 2 by 2 digit decimals. So like 14.4 squared, 17.5 squared, and also some big ones. 37.9 squared. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Now is my sister's turn to ruin it. My little sister Nori is trying to draw things on it.